Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this session. Myself, Dr. Rachna Nagar, Faculty of Commerce in SS Jain Subodh PG Mahila Mahavidyalaya. Today, we are discuss meaning of functional management. Functional management word divided in two parts. Our first part is functional and another part is management. Functional means all functional areas of business which are operate in an business organization like production, marketing, finance, HR, etc. And management means planning, organizing, directing and controlling. Now we club the both word and we can say that planning, organizing, directing and controlling which is concerned with the all operating or functional areas of business is called functional management. And these activities are done by a specialized person which are identified as a functional manager. Now we discuss our meaning functional management in a systematic way. Functional management is the management of functional areas of organization in which one functional expert or manager is responsible for each of the organizational activity such as production, marketing, finance or etc. Many authors give their opinion regarding the functional management. Our first definition is according to K.S. Davis. K.S. Davis says that functional management refers to a specialized area of organization, and functional management is the specialized branch of general management. So we conclude that the functional management is concerned with the specialized functional areas of management for which a specialized functional manager is responsible for the particular function of management. First of all, we discuss who is functional manager. An expertise person who is responsible for functional areas of organization is identified as a functional manager. A functional manager is having specialized knowledge, expertise for concerning department, liable for top management and sole responsible for decision making. His accountability towards business objectives, he is playing advisory and leadership role. Advisory role for top management and leadership role for concerning department. Now let us discuss the characteristics of functional management. Our first characteristic says that it is a specialized branch of general management. In general management concerned with several organization activities, and specialized activities are done by a specialized person which is identified as a functional manager. Then our second characteristic says it is required for achieving organizational goals. It having wider scope because it concentrates on several functional areas like production, marketing, finance and etc. It is an interrelated activity because every department or every function connected with other functional areas of business. It is a technical skill activity. Here is functional manager playing double role. It is a continuous process. Without this activity, organization cannot run and it is changed according to environment. So we can say that it is a dynamic process and having expertise knowledge. Thank you so much.